extend, extend. To make something longer or bigger. Example, he extended his hand to shake mine. Rivalry, rivalry. A situation where people or groups compete against each other. Example, the rivalry between the two football teams is intense. Impose, impose. To force something on someone. Example, the government imposed new taxes on imported goods. Plaintiff, plaintiff. A person who brings a case to court. Example, the plaintiff accused the company of fraud. Dedicate, dedicate. To give time or effort to something. Example, he dedicated his life to helping the poor. Prevalent, prevalent. Something that happens often or is found in many places. Example, this disease is prevalent in tropical countries. Manifesto, manifesto. A public statement of beliefs and goals. Example, the politician released a manifesto promising free education. Retaliate, retaliate. To fight back after being attacked. Example, he retaliated by punching his opponent in the face. Ineffective, ineffective. Something that is not working well. Example, the new medicine was ineffective in treating the disease. Admire, admire. To respect or like someone. Example, I admire his hard work and dedication.